Namaste.
Sat Shri Akal.
Adab.
Welcome to the radio show FM at the rate
Kiddos. Organized by Beeson Kindergarten, Chandigarh Road, Ludhiana, and you're listening to RJ
Inderpreet and RJ.
Deepika.
It's a brand new day and a great morning. What an amazing song, isn't it, Deepika?
Yes, but is there any special reason for this?
Yes, Basant is all around the corner, जहाँ विभिन्न रंगों के फूल अपनी मनमोहक खुशबू बिखेरते हैं।
Wow, I'm so excited. But do you know there is one more special thing?
What's that?
Before I disclose what's the special thing, let's ask our lovely listeners.
World Radio Day.
Yes, you are right. Today is World Radio Day.
Radio?
सुना ही होगा आपने अपने दादा दादी जी से, नाना नानी जी से। वह रेडियो ही है जिसने कानों से देखना भी सिखाया।
जी हाँ, वही रेडियो जो कभी हंसाता है,
कभी नगमे सुनाता है,
दीन दुनिया का हाल भी बखूबी फरमाता है।
रेडियो दोस्त की तरह साथ भी निभाता है
और हाँ, प्यारे प्यारे गाने भी सुनाता है।
Every year on this day we celebrate the contribution of radio, who has been the voice of our society for more than a century.
एक लंबा सफर जिसने पुराने गाने जैसे से नए गाने तक का सफर तय किया।
तो चलिए आज हम आपके साथ शेयर करते हैं कुछ मजेदार और इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स।
All India Radio is also known as Akashvani, which remained the voice of the nation for almost 80 years, with over 415 radio stations in about 23 languages and 146 dialects.
OMG, these many languages, incredible. Well, I do have one more interesting fact to share with my listeners. Do you all remember? आज पिटारा में hello फरमाइश। जी हाँ, it's none other than विविध भारती, which was one of the most popular shows in all India radio, जिसने कई फरमाइशों को सुना भी और पूरा भी किया।
ये हमारे लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है। चाहे टेक्नोलॉजी ने तरक्की कर ली है, बट आज भी अगर हम कार में सफर करते हैं तो एफएम रेडियो ही सुनते हैं।
और आज ही के दिन 13 फरवरी को हम मनाते हैं नेशनल विमेंस डे।
Yes, I know about this. The National Women's Day is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of the Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu ji.
नारी गौरव है, अभिमान है, नारी ने ही रचा विधान है। कदम से कदम मिलाकर चलना, सैन्य पराक्रम में पीछे न हटना, बुलंद हौसलों का परिचय देकर अरुणिमा मिर्जा का हो रहा गान है।
अरे अरे अरे, you seems to be very energetic.
क्यों ना हूँ? आज एक महान प्रतिभाशाली व्यक्तित्व के बारे में जानने का एक स्वर्णिम अवसर जो मिल रहा है।
Oh really? So let's start our talk show with Miss Rupali and Lovely.
Think like a queen. A queen is not afraid to fail, because failure is another stepping stone to greatness. Hello everyone, I am Lavleen Kaur and this is Rupali Thakur, and we are here to express our feelings on National Women's Day. The birth anniversary of the Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu. She was India's first woman governor. That's great. And you know, apart from this, she was a famous poet, freedom fighter
and a great speaker.
Wow! And therefore she was one of the most inspiring women of India who had always promoted women's rights and gave India a new vision.
Definitely, the 21st century has brought a new vision and has empowered women in a positive manner.
Indeed, as we have so many living examples of women empowerment, such as Indra Nooyi,
Pratibha Patil,
Kamala Harris,
Kiran Bedi,
the youngest female pilot Aisha Aziz. Give them a huge round of applause.
इसी बात पर लवली मैं कुछ कहना चाहूंगी.
जरूर.
कहते हैं महिलाएं देश को आगे बढ़ाती हैं. कहते हैं महिलाएं देश को आगे बढ़ाती हैं, तरक्की की राह पर लाती हैं, तरक्की की राह पर लाती हैं.
क्या बात है, बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. और अगर देश की बात की है तो हमारी गवर्नमेंट भी किसी से कम नहीं.
Right, our government has come up with various schemes like बेटी बचाओ, बेटी पढ़ाओ,
बेटी खिलाओ योजना,
सुकन्या समृद्धि योजना, and many more that has empowered women.
That is really supportive. And you know, our society and even different NGOs are making efforts to empower women by creating awareness to eliminate female feticide and gender inequality.
That's really good.
अपने हौसले से भर रही ऊंची उड़ान,
अपने हौसले से भर रही ऊंची उड़ान,
ना कोई शिकायत, ना कोई थकान,
ना कोई शिकायत, ना कोई थकान.
Women are born with equal rights as men, whether it's your mother, your wife, your sister, or your daughter.
She is independent and self-confident in every aspect and is capable of doing everything equal to men.
So let's empower women, support them,
Protect them, as empowerment of a woman leads to the nourishment of a good family,
a good society.
and ultimately a good nation.
So not just for one day, but
Every day,
be independent,
be beautiful
be strong.
and be real.
We wish you all a very happy
National Women's Day. Thank you Miss Rupali and Miss Lovely. सच में ये हमारे लिए गर्व की बात है कि भारतीय नारी ने न केवल अपने देश भारत में बल्कि विदेशों में भी भारत का परचम फहराया है.
Yes, Deepika, you are right. But do you know? भारत मूल का एक और सितारा है जो कि नासा के ऑफिस में चमक रहा है.
Who?
Bhavya Lal, the acting head of NASA.
Wow, that is amazing.
So before moving further, let's have a short break. We'll be right here. Till then, stay tuned.
मिलकर कोरोना को हटाना है, घर से स्कूल हमें जाना है. हाथ किसी से नहीं मिलाना है, चेहरे पर हाथ नहीं लगाना है. बचाव ही इलाज है, ये सबको सिखलाना है. कोरोना से हमें नहीं घबराना है, मिलकर कोरोना को हटाना है. Children, your teachers are waiting for you. Bye-bye.
Coronavirus?
Well, there is one person who's totally safe from coronavirus.
Really, Deepika? Who's that?
ठाकुर.
कौन से ठाकुर?
अरे शोले वाले ठाकुर जिनके हाथ कंपनी यह कह के ले लिए,
ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर. Right, Deepika. But pandemic COVID-19 has resulted in great disruption for the education sector.
Really, Inder. But the ones who are affected the most are children. Children must be missing their school campus a lot.
वाकई दीपिका, छात्र स्कूल ना जा पाने के कारण स्कूल को बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं. तो चलिए छात्र अगाम्या के मुंह से ही सुनते हैं उसके भावों की अभिव्यक्ति एक कविता के माध्यम से, जिसका शीर्षक है
I miss my school.
Hello everyone, my name is Agamya. I'm student of LKG Front Floor. Today I'm going to share share my feelings with you all. Here we go. We all used to learn and have lots of fun. It was so cool. Now I miss my school. Teachers were guardians, friends were family. I remember jumping in a pool. Now I miss my school. Sports, music and dance we all used to love. Bagging benches, tables and stools. Now I miss my school. Now I am at home. Wait for the day to come. Can't wait for long. I want to get back where I belong. Really missing all my teachers and my friends. Hope we will meet soon. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Agamya. Such a heart-touching poem.
चलिए माहौल को बदलते हैं कुछ हंसी के फुहारों के साथ। अच्छा दीपिका, ये बताओ रॉन्ग को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं?
Wrong.
अरे अगर गलत बताओगी तो पार्टी देनी होगी।
That's not fair. Okay. Now one from my side. हम इंडियंस गिफ्ट के लिए थैंक यू नहीं करते।
अच्छा, तो क्या कहते हैं?
इसकी क्या जरूरत थी?
Oh my God, it was really funny.
थैंक यू।
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा।
Really, Deepika? Every parent has a great expectation to give the best possible education to their children.
Oh dear, well said. Admissions are now at the doorstep.
I'm also planning to admit my child in nursery class and I'm looking for a good school.
Then why don't you prefer Beeson Kindergarten, Chandigarh Road?
Really?
Yes, this school will meet your expectations of safety, air-conditioned classrooms, lush green playground, availability of keeping the food warm, latest technology of education, well-trained staff, and all this under one roof.
Wow!
Yes, do you want to know more? So here comes Miss Shanli with News Bulletin.
Hello everyone, I Shalini Rawal welcome you here in BCM Kindergarten News Bulletin, and the headlines are: the principal Mr. D.P. Guleria honored with Education Excellence Award 2020 by Cabinet Minister Education Punjab, and the NIC did not stop BCM from growing. They did not stop celebrations and activities and competitions. BCM Kindergarten tied up with Facebook and created their own channel on YouTube. Being flexible, they have introduced new method of teaching by conducting various programs. Teachers and students get timely motivation and support from respected principal Mr. D.P. Guleria. Now, news in detail. Our great leader, Mr. D.P. Guleria, is honored with Education Excellence Award 2020 by Mr. Vijay Indar Singha, Cabinet Minister Education Punjab, with tireless efforts. Due to pandemic COVID-19, where studies became a challenge for students, BCM Kindergarten rapidly shifted to online learning as the school released 15 over time. No trouble or complication to stop BCM testing. Whether it is any competition, celebration or activity, they celebrated all the festivals to teach students about the glory, heritage, culture and tradition of our country. They organized special assemblies for the same, whether it was Christmas, Lohri or Republic Day. In last months, young BCMites enhanced their motor skills by participating online in clay modeling, origami and calligraphy competitions. They also indulged in show and tell, rhyme recitation, speeches, and upgraded their oratory skills. National Sports Day was celebrated to build up students' physical strength. The institution celebrated Teachers' Day, Indian Air Force Day, Hindi Divas to pay gratitude and respect for our teachers, family, culture, and society. Tips-of-the awareness programs, grooming sessions are being conducted timely for students and teachers as well. DCM has not stopped here. They created their own channel on YouTube and tied up with Facebook. Now, some international news. DCM goes beyond the boundaries. They have also tied up globally and conducted British Council Activity 3 with Canadian schools. They celebrated World Heart Day, International Peace Day, World Animal Welfare Day, and so on. In this way, students have become a part of hyper-connected world, and the world seems to shrink a bit more every day for them. We will be coming back every 2 months with latest news and information. Till then, stay connected. Thank you.
Great! I'm amazed.
Yes. चलिए अब आगे बढ़ते हैं, पर उससे पहले लेते हैं छोटी सी ब्रेक। कहीं जाइएगा मत।
मॉम, मैं कॉलेज जा रही हूँ।
ठीक है, अपना टिफिन लेते जाना।
ओके मॉम।
अरे जरा देखना दरवाजे पर कौन आया है।
ओके मॉम। नमस्ते आंटी।
नमस्ते बेटा।
मॉम, पिंकी आंटी आए हैं।
अरे पिंकी, आ बैठ। अमायरा बेटा, जरा पानी का गिलास तो लेकर आना।
ओके मॉम।
और कैसे आना हुआ?
बस यहाँ से निकल रही थी, सोचा तुमसे मिलती जाऊं।
बहुत अच्छा किया। और बता।
ये बता, ये अमायरा बिटिया कहाँ जा रही थी?
कॉलेज।
कॉलेज?
हाँ।
अभी तो इसकी स्कूल खत्म हुई, इसको घर का काम काज सिखा। लड़की अगर कॉलेज जाएगी तो हाथ से निकल जाएगी। मुझे समझाना मेरा फर्ज था। ठीक है?
हाँ।
आगे तेरी मर्जी।
ठीक है।
अब मैं चलती हूँ।
ठीक है, अपना ध्यान रखना। अमायरा जल्दी करो।
मॉम,
हाँ।
आंटी क्या बोल रहे थे? मैं हाथ से निकल जाऊंगी? वो कैसे?
मैं तुझे समझाती हूँ। आ बैठ। सुन, अभी अभी तो तेरा स्कूल खत्म हुआ है, अब तुम कॉलेज जा रही है। तू कॉलेज जाएगी, वहाँ खूब मन लगाकर पढ़ेगी और वहाँ जाकर डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, पायलट बनेगी।
फिर क्या होगा मॉम?
फिर तो खूब शोहरत कमाएगी, अपने फैसले खुद लेगी, अपने माँ बाप का नाम खूब रोशन करेगी।
फिर तो मॉम मेरा हाथ से निकल जाना ही अच्छा होगा।
बहुत अच्छा अमायरा, बहुत अच्छा। लड़की के हाथ कामयाबी तभी आएगी, लड़की जब हाथ से निकल जाएगी।
It was really an eye-opener. किसी ने सच ही कहा है, बेटी है स्वर्ग की सीढ़ी, बेटी है स्वर्ग की सीढ़ी, वो बढ़ेगी तभी तो बढ़ेगी अगली पीढ़ी।
क्या बात, क्या बात, क्या बात। अब जरा गौर इधर भी फरमाइएगा।
इरशाद।
रास्ते बदल गए हम यारों के, रास्ते बदल गए हम यारों के, पर रिश्ता आज भी वही पुराना है। Technology has played a vital role in streamlining way of education and its learning process.
टीचिंग लर्निंग के बदले हुए तरीकों को जानने के लिए लेट्स स्टेप इनटू आवर नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट, कॉफी विद आरजे दीपिका।
Today we have among us a vibrant and multitasking personality whose aura spread the fragrance of love all around. Man is having 20 years of teaching experience as an English teacher in DCM School, Chandigarh Road. She has worked as an activity coordinator, media coordinator, and as chief editor of newsletter. She is a recipient of Best Teacher Award 2 times. Presently, she is working as a coordinator in secondary block in DCM School, Chandigarh Road. So let's welcome Miss Manju Bhatti Coordinator, BCM School. Welcome, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving your precious time to us. Ma'am, could you throw some light on the teaching methodologies which has been changed from offline to online since the outbreak of this pandemic COVID-19?
Jumping from offline to online was a real challenge for teachers. Parents also faced problem. It was also very difficult for students. But the challenge, it was always there for the teachers. The teachers who had been teaching, always there in the confined classroom with the help of boards, books, chalk, and no doubt smart classes are also always there. But still, it was a very big challenge. But we really bow our heads to all the teachers who so wonderfully, so successfully coped up with this challenge, and ultimately they came out successful in giving to the students whatever we were required to give them. And here I would like to mention that here the main and the major role it was played by a worthy principal sir, who made all the arrangements to empower the teachers with how to use the technology. The way means he just made all the arrangement here in the school with the apps, Zoom, Microsoft, everything it was provided to the teachers, and so many training sessions they were planned for the teachers, organized for the teachers, that now the teachers they have become so comfortable. So now perhaps what I feel that now shifting from online to offline they will find a little bit not difficult, but still they have started enjoying it. They are enjoying online, and now a mixture is going on. A mix of online and offline is going on in the school, and now they are just enjoying it.
Wow, that's true. It was really a challenging situation where children, students and institutions faced a lot of problems. But as well as we enjoyed the session, we enjoyed this jump from offline to online, it was really commendable and all happens under the guidance of our respected principals.
Yes, it was, but now it's no more.
Very well, sir. Ma'am, as we all are aware that schools are going to be fully functional from the coming session, so we would like to know about the preparations done by the BCM school for the safety and health of the students.
See, if we just talk about safety and security of students, so I would like to say that the school is quite concerned about the safety of students. So see how we are not only concerned with the safety of students, we are also concerned that students they should not miss out on their studies. So we have just made the arrangement like this, that the school is running 3 days for offline classes and 3 days for online classes. So that students, those who are due to any reason or any account, if they are not able to attend the school, so at least during those 3 days for online classes, they can just catch up with that. So the arrangement for the safety is like this, that during the offline classes, we have just segregated the students in 2 slots, morning slot and afternoon slot. So in the morning slot and after both the slots, the entry and the exit points for students, they are not the same. They are different. Separate points are there so that there is not a rush of students there. So after that, we just always ensure that one day prior, means all the rooms, rather the whole school campus is sanitized. And thermal screening, arrangement for thermal screening is there, and at different points we have just put sanitizer, etc. And even in the classroom itself, there is a seating arrangement of only 12 to 15 students. So we always make sure that students and as well as teachers, they are wearing masks and they stay at a distance from each other. But I would like to mention that with keeping all these measures of safety and security in mind, still we have been doing everything to complete. We have been, even if it's a studies, it's a revision test going on, its examination is going on. The school has been running and conducting the classes and examination successfully and smoothly. We are not facing any problem at all. Safety is always there.
Very well, ma'am. Now, ma'am, we would like to hear your pearls of wisdom, which would be useful for the students, for the parents, and for the society.
There's one message I would like to give to all the students. They may find it difficult to now make a transition, a change from online to offline. So my advice is that this is the right time and that they should act very maturely. They should keep themselves physically, morally and emotionally strong, because they may find it very difficult to separate themselves from their mobiles. And then I would like to give a message to the students, those who are going for exams. All the students, whether it's board exams or it's non-board exams, planning is very important. They must plan what they will do, how they will do. Means it's not that schools, teachers or perhaps the parents, they are expecting too much from them, but this is the time they should learn whatever they have lost in the last so many months. Now this is the time that with proper planning, with proper execution, and obviously this is the time for hard work. Now they can't afford to sit idle and free at home, so they should plan accordingly that they get success, and whatever they have lost, they just compensate for that. Now there is one message for parents also. This is the right time that parents, they should lower down their expectations from their kids, because everyone knows that students also face a very tough time, and even there are so many challenges they are lying ahead for them. So parents, not only they should lower down their expectation, but also they should provide whatever assistance they require from the parents. Means they should provide their moral and emotional support and help to the kids. So this is what I just expect the parents to do. And for society, if I talk about the society, the society should also learn is how to face and how to cope up with these type of challenges like violence. So means no doubt we face this type of violence after such a long time, but it is expected that in the coming years, anytime we may face these type of violence and challenges, and society as a whole should stand up against these type of violence. So this is my message to all the kids, all the parents, and the society, because we teachers are also a part of society. So we are the ones who just not only want to teach others, but we also want to learn is how we will be helping the students to face these challenges.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for enlightening us with your words of wisdom. I'm really thankful to our worthy principal, sir, Mr. D.P. Guleria, Secondary Coordinator Block, Ms. Manju Bhatti, all the faculty members, and especially the PC management for helping the kids in saving the year through the online mode of education.
I would also like to thank our worthy principal, sir, that he has been giving us so many exotic and unique opportunities for the growth, and also for the welfare and safety and security of students. I would also like to thank your team that you have given me this opportunity to speak out my mind and my opinions.
Ma'am, it's all our pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
सफर को आगे बढ़ाते हुए कुछ पंक्तियां। तेरे गिरने में हार नहीं, तेरे गिरने में हार नहीं, तू इंसान है अवतार नहीं। गिर, उठ, चल, दौड़ और फिर भाग, क्योंकि जीवन संक्षिप्त है, इसका कोई सार नहीं। To honor all the women in the world, here comes Deepika with a beautiful song.
अंगना में फिर आ जा रे।
सागर है पर हिम्मत है संग, पाँव पिछाले है सांसें बुलंद, लड़ने चली है आजादी की जंग। बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे। प्रीति की जंजीरें खा गई जंग, न्याय के मंदिर भी हो गए भंग, जमाना चलेगा चले मेरे संग, बोलूंगी हल्ला आवाज दबंग। बेखौफ आजाद है कहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है कहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे।
That was an absolute classic, isn't it?
Whatever makes you feel bad, leave it. Whatever makes you feel smile, keep it. With this, we are moving to the end of today's radio show. This is your RJ Deepika and
RJ Inderpreet signing out.
bye-bye.
Sayonara.
And once again, Happy World Radio Day and National Women's Day.
Don't go with the flow. Be the flow.
Thank you for watching.